Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive into the story of Suzuki Motors Corporation. This company has a history that dates back more than a century. It's seen its share of triumphs and setbacks in the stock market. It witnessed major turning points in the past and now stands at the cusp of significant changes in the automobile industry. The question is, what does the future hold for Suzuki? Will it continue to be a strong performer in the market, or are there challenges ahead? Let's find out. Before we begin, let me tell you a little about the company. Suzuki was founded in 1909 by Michio Suzuki, originally named Suzuki Loom Works, manufacturing weaving machines. By the 1930s, the company began producing motorcycles and automobiles. Its first car, the Suzulite, rolled off the assembly lines in 1955, marking its official entry into the automobile industry. Since then, Suzuki has grown into a major player in the global market. Now, you might be wondering, why should I invest in Suzuki? Well, let's take a look at its stock price and performance over the years. Suzuki Motors is listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange under code 7269. Over the decades, the company's stock price has mirrored its growth and evolution. The 1980s and 1990s were particularly strong for Suzuki. Its compact cars and motorcycles gained traction and demand surged globally, lifting the stock steadily. However, the 1990s saw a decline due to various economic factors, including the bursting of the Japanese asset price bubble. The new millennium brought some recovery, but the global financial crisis of 2008 hit Suzuki hard, causing its stock to plummet. Yet the company bounced back thanks to its Indian venture Maruti Suzuki, which today contributes the largest share of Suzuki's revenue. Recently, the company faced another challenge due to global chip shortages and the ongoing transition to EVs, leading to mixed sentiment among investors. So what are the key events that shaped Suzuki's journey so far? First, the launch of the Suzulite in 1955 marked a pivotal moment, propelling the company from a small motorcycle manufacturer to a full-fledged automobile maker. Second, the 1980s and 1990s were a period of international recognition and expansion, when Suzuki gained a strong foothold in global markets. Third, the early 2000s saw a strategic partnership with General Motors. While the collaboration ended in 2005, it left a lasting impact on Suzuki's operations. Fourth, from 2002 to 2020, Maruti Suzuki's dominance in India drove significant revenue, transforming the company into a major player in the Indian market. Fifth, between 2021 and 2023, Suzuki's delayed entry into the EV market raised concerns among investors and industry observers. Finally, in 2024, the company is strengthening its alliance with Toyota, focusing on joint development of EV and hybrid models. This strategic move aims to accelerate Suzuki's EV rollout and leverage Toyota's expertise in hybrid technology. As we analyze Suzuki's future, it's important to consider the broader trends shaping the automobile industry. The shift towards electric and hybrid vehicles is undeniable. In this context, Suzuki's recent announcements about launching affordable EVs in Japan and India, by 2025, are promising developments. These moves signal the company's commitment to staying relevant and catering to the evolving needs of its core markets. Now, let's talk about our predictions for Suzuki's stock. In the short term, which is about the next 1 to 2 years, we expect Suzuki's stock to demonstrate stable growth. The company's solid fundamentals, strong presence in key markets, and focus on new technologies should support its growth trajectory. However, in the midterm, which is 3 to 5 years, much will depend on how smoothly Suzuki transitions to EVs. Successful rollouts of its new EV models could trigger a strong bullish trend. But if the transition is bumpy, it could dampen investor sentiment. Lastly, in the long term, which is more than 5 years, Suzuki's prospects look promising. India's expanding market and growing middle class, coupled with increasing EV adoption globally, could work in Suzuki's favor. Additionally, the company's focus on affordability and practicality could resonate well with consumers in both developed and emerging markets. However, Suzuki faces stiff competition from established players like Tesla, BYD, Toyota, and others. To secure its position, the company must continuously innovate, keep a close eye on costs, and adapt quickly to changing market dynamics. In conclusion, Suzuki Motors Corporation has come a long way since its humble beginnings over a century ago. With a rich history and a strong global presence, the company has the potential to continue its growth trajectory. However, the success of its EV ventures will be crucial in shaping its future. As the automobile industry undergoes a major transformation, Suzuki's ability to embrace change and cater to the evolving needs of its customers will determine its trajectory in the coming years. What do you think? Is Suzuki's stock a strong long-term investment? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stock market stories. Until next time.